3, 4.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Y'all ain't singing at the table.
Happy birthday to you. And don't let you to see many, many more.
Are we ready for the cake? You want to say anything, Pearl?
Yes, I would like to thank the good Lord, first of all, for me being able to see my 70th birthday. And second of all, I appreciate all the love that is shown in this room for coming out, because there's a lot of surprises up in here. Y'all got me, but that's okay, but y'all know how I'm going to get y'all now. I got y'all name now. But anyway, I thank God for each and every one of y'all that showed out to make this special occasion very successful. Thank you all.
You welcome.
You're welcome.